If you have questions like how do I get started on YouTube, what gadget should I buy, or what are the most important things that I have to do at the beginning, this video is just right for you, and thanks for clicking my video. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to my newest video on my channel. Today we're gonna solve some questions like how to be a YouTuber with only $100. Yes, only $100. Today is so easy to be a YouTuber. You have a lot of equipment, and sorry to say that to you, but the first thing that you have to do is just start. Get your phone, your camera. You don't have to be a professional one, but just start today. Gadgets are important, but a lot of people think that they are the most important thing. They invest a lot of money on it and then they get disappointed and all that money goes. Start doing videos. Please start now. Wait to see this video and then start. I don't want to lose any time and want to start with the first gadget, which is this mini tripod, and you can extend that how much you want. Okay, so that's a wonderful tool to start with your videos. That's one of my first gadgets that I bought. It works with a phone on it and you can stand that almost everywhere. Also, you can buy other kind of tripods like this one, which is a bigger one. That's what I was talking about. This can be as much bigger as you want, and it's pretty cool to make footage. We are done with the second tripod. Now I will show you the best gadget that I already bought, and today I got a package where I have all my equipment that I bought for this YouTube channel. This video is recording with a phone. I know it's crazy, but you aren't seeing any difference cause the phones nowadays has a lot of resolution and very good cameras, so no problem to use that for YouTube. And also the lighting is a key factor to make your video look more professional and to give a depth on it. So these are very important principles that you have to remember. Okay, so if you want another video where I can show you how to light your studio or your room for YouTube videos or just videography that you want to do, just please let me know down below. Let's get with the first one, which is this microphone from Boya. It's very cheap, just like $12, and it has a very good quality. Okay, here we have a bag. That's the microphone, some cables, and the last thing is that gadget here. Okay, so that's a really cool microphone to start your YouTube videos. It's not one of the most important things, but if you work with sounds or satisfaction things, you know, that's a really cool microphone to use. So let's get to another one, which is this LED video lighting. So you see here a big professional camera, but no, it is just the light here where you can control this how much you want it to be, and it's very simple to use. You can just hang this on a tripod like this and light your face or whatever you want. So I really love this kind of lights. So if you want one, find it on Amazon, just LED video light. Okay, let's move to the next one, and that's the most important thing that I have been waiting for so long. You know what this is? That's a gimbal for a smartphone. Let's get to open this. Okay, we have an amazing box here. Oh my god. And here are the gadgets. I have seen reviews on YouTube and internet that this is the best stabilizer that you can find. It only costs $99, and that's the most expensive thing that I bought. That's only $10 and that's only $5. So very cheap, and you can be like a professional YouTuber only with these gadgets on 2020. Also, this has a tripod where you can mount them together. That's the last gadget that I had for you. If you want any video how to use this gadget and to make cool B-roll and footage, please again let me know down below. I will do it. Everybody is welcomed and I'm open here to make every kind of videos that you like, because I don't want my channel to be boring and I want to make as much adventure videos, paintings, everything on this channel. Just start minimal with your phone. It's so easy on 2020 to start a YouTube channel. Actually, on YouTube are two important things to grow. One is to have a personality, so if you think that you're cool and you can speak on camera very freely, okay, that's one way to grow on YouTube. And the other one is to help people. Show people how it's done, something that they want to learn. That's the other way of growing on YouTube. Okay, we have a third sphere. That sphere is too much higher. Gaming zone. That's another way how to grow on YouTube. So if you're a gamer, just start recording the newest game, and I think that this is gonna work for you very well. So that's what I had for all this video. I really hope you to get inspired from it and start your YouTube channel right now. So if you got inspired and you started, please let me know your name of your channel on my description. I will check it out and we'll see what kind of videos you will do. So that was basically it. Okay, most important from all of it, forget YouTube, forget everything, is to take care of yourself and see me next time.